All right, so she's been teaching dance hall, Jamaican dance really, for several years. And now Latonya Style is taking her work from a face-to-face classroom to a guidebook. Stylish moves. Love the play on words, Miss Style. She joins us now via Zoom. Hello, love. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. It is very good to see you this morning. Congratulations on the book. Which really
Thank
is a
you.
booklet that you started in 2013 that you revised. Is this a new
Yes,
edition now?
yes, it is. So these were the booklets, and
Right.
now this is the, you can say compilation because it's what was in the manuals, and now it's just one book.
Oh, okay. So we're going to talk about the book. Let's talk a little bit first, though, about your journey in dance. You're a member of ASHE,
Yes,
and dance was always your passion. It was your language. It's interesting now that you're writing a book about dance and putting it into words because, the link is so, amazing. But dance has taken you, as much as it pains you to know that people don't take it seriously, it's a serious profession that has taken you all across the world. So tell me about that
yes.
work that you've done in dance.
Okay, so started off from I was in prep school, like really young. Continued in high school where I joined ASHE, where I got my professional training. And even from ASHE days, I started touring and started teaching even in high school. So I've been teaching over 25 years. Don't guess my age. But in most of my career from 1999, I started dance hall professionally. That's when I started as a practitioner touring with artists. But since 2012, I started to tour solo. So that's when I orchestrated tours to Europe, Russia, and since then over 40 odd countries. Yes.
That is amazing. Tell me
Thank
about
you.
Africa, because Africa is somewhere you had always wanted to go, and you put in the book that it was perhaps one of the most standout journeys for you to connect with the motherland. Tell me about that.
Well, the thing is, most of the people that are attracted to our culture are, Caucasians, the European white people, stuff like that. So to go and teach in the motherland where it all started, teach my black family, it is just so amazing. And it was just a good feeling, communicating with them, and we had the same body language, so it was even so much easier. And it was youth, so it was the young people that really were interested in our Jamaican culture. So it was just the most fulfilling trip for me overall.
I see you have words of wisdom in here.
Yes.
It's Queen Letitia's words of wisdom, but a lot of it speaks to pushing forward despite any kind of negativity and backlash. Does this
Yes.
speak to kind of like what you have had to endure in being a standard bearer for dance hall music and dance hall moves while you spread this
Yes.
word across the world and in Jamaica in particular?
Definitely, because there's gonna be negative people that just say we're selling out the culture, stuff like that. But it has definitely opened doors. It has put food on the table for many dancers who didn't imagine getting paid to do what they love, turning their passion into profession. So despite the backlash, we kept pushing and we didn't listen to the naysayers. I remember going to Russia, they're like, no, don't go, it's gonna be bad. And I went almost every city in Russia and nothing happened, came back safe and sound, and just represented the country on a global level. And it was just the best thing that I ever decided, quitting my 9 to 5 job to do just dancing straight.
I just had a flashback of you as a student in my class, no joke, many years ago when I taught you speech. And at that point, you were saying to me, I am going to do this thing on such a big, remember, Latonya? You're like, I'm a dancer, and one day I'm just going to take this thing to the world. And to sit here
Definitely.
now and to talk to you about having realized that dream, I am really very proud of you and impressed by what you have done. And now that you're adding author, to your portfolio. That's even more amazing. And your chat patwa series as well. So you have a little bit of the speech still thrown in there. What was it like to make that transition now from the dancing to the authoring? Because the book has so many elements, it could not have been easy to put it together.
The transition was easy because they go hand in hand. So it's just dance on paper. And I've always been an academic person because I love the computers. I have 8 subjects. I have a degree. Plus I have my speech certificate from you. So, you know, the transition was just smooth. It took a while in terms of editing and contacting my, you know, illustrator in Australia, you know, the journey with communicating from afar, but it went good in terms of what I had to put in the book, you know? So it was just my life and the whole story about dance, all the history, everything, I would just throw it in.
Tell me about Robin. Tell me about Robin Clare.
Okay, so Robin Clare is so amazing, Jamaican heritage. She lives in Australia, but she is full on about Jamaican culture. She has been supporting it for ages. She started off with her Rice and Peas book, and I was featured in this book. That's where the idea came out, because she illustrated my dance move called Pretty Wine. And I was like, wow, this is so amazing. And since then, you know, I told her I would love to have a book, and that's how it came into realization. And she teamed up with me. She's the most wonderful person to work with, very artistic. She does contemporary art, so she does painting, drawings, and all of those stuff. And yeah, good working with her.
So she was the illustrator for the book.
Yeah, she illustrated the dance moves, turning all my steps into written, codified movements. And she also made the steps look like me. So she put on the braids.
Correct. This is not a joke. This is the truth you're talking that God love. These moves, though, Latonya, are not for the faint of heart, neither for the unflexible. Am I right?
It's easy for everyone.
No,
it's all levels. Yes, even for you, Simone. I'm sure there are moves that you can do, and I would love to.
Even for me? I don't understand. What do you mean by that? What do you know about me?
Even for, well, I know you're not a professional, you know, stage dancer, but I know you can do your thing.
All right, you're going to show us a move. You're going to show us a move this morning, but first, I want you to tell us.
I'm going to teach you one.
Walande, before you catch there, tell us, you're doing a launch for this book, are you?
I'm planning to. I haven't put it into perspective fully
as yet,
but I want to.
Especially now with COVID as a thing. So,
yes.
All right. But so in the meantime, though, where can we get it?
Online at my website, latonyastyle.com.
Okay.
Ship worldwide.
Are you still teaching class? I know you have a studio on, is Barbican Road?
Yes, the studio is still up and running, but most of my classes are now online. So I do my lectures and dance classes via Zoom.
Okay.
Online.
All right. Okay, miss. All right, well, I understand in order for you to show us your dance move, you're going to have to get it from where you are. So make your way.
Yes.
Go on. I will just tell people the book is called Stylish Moves. It's written and choreographed by Latonya Style. It's edited and illustrated by Robin Clare. It's Jamaican dancehall style with a touch of class and confidence, and it's a guide and activity book. So it has not only illustrations of the dance moves, so you can get them right. It also has like puzzles in there. What you call those? Crosswords and quotes from other female dancehall artists. She also has a section on learning Jamaican patois in there as well. So it's a little bit of dance, a little bit of language, a whole lot of Jamaica. All right, Style, you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I don't sure I am. Show me the move first, and then I will see whether I'm going to attempt it.
Well, I was going to do a move that's neutral for both male and female, because I thought Neville was going to be here.
Where is Neville?
So I decided to do... Yes.
Clive, can you call Neville for me? Still though, Latonya, you have to show me the move and let me see if I, because I've seen you like on the top of your head and I can't. Okay, the boss is here. Let's go.
So this one is called Enough Respect. And it's all about our Jamaican greeting.
Okay.
Where we would, meet somebody and use the fist to say, hey, what's up? So we're going to do it solo because, I have no one to do it with. Never has somebody there. Okay, so the idea is have your fist, like you say, enough respect. We're going to do right hand while the left hand shoots down. And we're just switching, but the body rocks with it.
Right.
So this is the first part. Never you have to move the upper body from side to side. So if you're right hand,
And does anybody have any WD-40 in here? Because somebody needs to
Say everybody used to say, yeah, I got this.
Oh, go on then.
I got this.
Okay, go on, lads.
Okay, so legs open, right hand, we go to the right. So lean to the right, Neville.
Yeah.
Come on.
The man right.
Side. Yes, and then third one. Now we're going to go center. So this is where we connect now.
Okay.
Greeting. Yeah.
Got it.
Open. Show your face. Open. Close it. And then straighten the hand.
Oh, so much instruction you give me, man. So, all right, let's go.
Yes, it is, though.
Come on,
So
man.
go on now, lads. Put it together now.
Right on.
Let me see you do it. Go on.
So, all right, let me do it first. You can do it slow. And 1 and 2, or you can do it fast.
No, I'm rather do slow. Slow. I'm still. Calm down.
Okay, let's do slow.
So slow, ta.
Right?
Yeah.
Left.
Ta.
Right.
Ta. Ta.
And
Ta.
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 Yeah.
Ta.
Yes! Perfect.
Thank you.
Let's try it one more time.
Okay, slow.
Right hand. Okay.
Ta. 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 Ta.
Ta. A bit. Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. I really appreciate that.
Give me the website again, lads.
Pardon? It's Latonya Style. LatonyaStyle.com.
Sir, you're driving a big
That's my
truck?
name.
Is a big truck? What is he? Why is he steering a big truck? All right, run the music again, Sean, and we could take it out. Come, lads, dance us out. Ready? Yeah, she can't hear it.
Okay.
Go on. So? Go on. Oh. Go on. Hey. We soon come back, everybody.
DJ Glazer, what he do?